Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn about chapter 3, application of differentiation. Okay, look at the 3.1 related rates. Okay, step for solving related rates problem. First, draw a diagram if possible. Second, introduce notation, assign symbols to all quantities that are function of time. Third, express the given information and the required rate in terms of derivative. Write an equation that relates the various quantity of the problems. 5. Use the chain rule or implicit to differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to time t. 6. Solve for the derivative that will give the unknown rates of change. Okay, notation, the rate of changes. Okay, if the rate is increasing, then the sign is positive. Okay, when rate is decreasing, the sign is negative. Okay, look at example 1. An empty container is filled with liquid. The height of the liquid in the container is at cm and its volume is v cm cubed, where v equals to x times 5 plus x squared 2x plus x squared. If x increases at the rate of 0.35 cm per second, find the rate of change in volume when x equals to 1 cm. Okay, given that x increase at the rate of 0.35. Okay, so dx over dt equals to 0.35 cm per second. Then the x is equals to 1. So we need to find dv over dt. Okay, we have v equals to x times 5 plus 2x plus x squared. Then v equals to 5x plus 2x squared plus x cubed. Okay, so differentiate dv. We have dv over dx equals to 5 plus 4x plus 3x squared. Okay, therefore dv over dt equals to dv over dx times dx over dt. So dv over dx is 5 plus 4x plus 3x squared, then dx over dt 0.35. Okay, to solve the equation, we need to substitute x with 1. So 5 plus 4 plus 3 times 0.35. So the answer is 4.2 cm cubed per second. Okay, look at example 2. The volume of water in a hemispherical bowl of radius 30 cm is given by V equals to 1 over 3 pi times 36 x squared minus x cubed, where x cm is the depth of the water. If the water is poured in at a constant rate of 10 cm cubed per second, at what rate is the level rising when the depth is 8 cm? Okay, so sekarang we have volume equals to 1 over 3 pi times 36 x squared minus x cubed. X equals to 8 cm. Okay, so we need to find the x over dt. So dv over dt, given that dv over dt equals to 10 cm cubed per second. Okay, dv over dx equals to 1 over 3 pi times 72x or minus 3x squared. Okay, so dx over dt equals to dx over dv times dx over dt. Okay, dx over, we have dv over dx. Then when we need to find dx over dt, we just sweat kan. So 3 over pi times 32 is substitute x with 8, so minus 3 times 8 square. times 10. So the answer is 0.025 cm per second. Okay, look at example 3. Okay, example 3. A cubic metal slab has a width of x meter, length 2x meter, and height 2 meter. When hit, the width expand at the rate of 0.01 meter per hour. Find the rate of change of the surface area when the volume is 36 meter. Okay, so we have volume equals to 36 meter per meter cube. Then we have dx over dt equals to 0.01 meter per hour. So we need to find the dA over dt, and surface area of the rate of change of the surface area. Okay, so we need to find x dulu kan. So volume equals to 36. So volume tu daripada sini kita darab lah kan, volume height times length times width. So dapat 4x square equals to 36, then x equals to 3 kan, sebabnya volume equals to length times height times width. Okay, so dapat 36 lah. So equals to 4x square. So 4x square equals 36, so x equals to 3. Okay, so dA over dt equals to dA over dx times dx over dt. Okay, so we need to find the surface area for the cuboid. So surface area dia A equals to kan, yang depan ni semua untuk permukaan dia lah. You all kena kira surface area for the cuboid kan. So kita ada 2 times height times length times height plus 2 length times width plus 2 length height times width kan. Okay, so kita ada 2 length 2x times 2x times 2 4x plus 2 length 2x times x 2x times x 2x times x 2x square plus 2 times height dengan width. Height tadi 2 meter times x 2x. Okay, so kita dapat dia punya surface area 8x plus 4x square plus 4x. Okay, so simplify. We have 4x squared plus 12x. Okay, so find dA over dx equals to 8x plus 12. Okay, so ganti je lah dalam ni kan, dx over dA over dx. So kita buat kat bawah ni lah. Okay, so dA over dt equals to dA over dx times dx over dt. Okay, so dA over dx 8 times 3, substitute x with 3 plus 12 times 0.01. Okay, so the answer is 0.36 meters square per hour. Okay, look at example 4. Example 4, a closed cuboid has a square base and its height is twice its base. If x is the length of the base and x increases at a rate of 3 cm per second, find the rate of change of the surface area when x is 4. Okay, so we have x equals to 4 square base and its height is twice its base. So dx over dt equals to 3 cm per second hash equals to 2x. Then we will need to find dA over dt. Okay, so area of, kan macam kita buat yang example 3 tadi, area of cuboid, maksudnya surface area for cuboid lah, that equals to length times width times length height times height times 2. Okay, so area dia kita dapat 2x square plus 4 times 2x square. Okay, so we have 10x square. Okay, so dA over dx equals to 20x. Okay, so dA over dt equals to dA over dx times dx over dt. Okay, so dA over dx 20 times x equals to 4 times 3. Okay, so the answer is 240 meter square per second. Okay, thank you guys.